QPOS Mini supports 3 kinds of debit and credit cards: magnetic cards, IC cards, and NFC cards. Now I will show you how to use QPOS Mini. First, click red button to boot this device. And then open the Bluetooth on your mobile device. Open the demo application. Click normal Bluetooth. Click select device. Select device. And you can see a serial number on the back of the device, and find this number and click it. You can see POS connected. And now let's start a trade. Input the amount. Click confirm. Swipe your card. Input the PIN. Click the green button to confirm. Now you can see the transaction has completed. Now let's try the IC card function. Input the amount. Confirm. Insert your IC card in the POS terminal. Click confirm. You can see the transaction is completed. Now let's try the NFC mode. Start trade. Input the amount. Click confirm. Okay, click the up button to initiate NFC mode. Tap your card. The transaction is completed. That's the 3 ways to use QPOS Mini. Thank you.